Rumors are rife that Samsung's next flagship phone, the Galaxy S25, will ditch Exynos chips altogether and opt for Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips exclusively. This move, as reported by Ming Chua, is largely due to the underwhelming performance of the new Exynos 2500 chip, which utilizes a 3nm process. Despite its promising power efficiency, the chip hasn't quite lived up to expectations. In the previous Galaxy S24 series, Qualcomm supplied around 40% of the chips, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip powering the Ultra variant across all regions. The Exynos 2400 chip, on the other hand, fueled the regular Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus in most regions, except for the US, Canada, China, and Japan. Although the Exynos 2400 was a decent performer, it failed to match the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in several aspects. The shift towards Snapdragon chips might have been welcomed by users, but concerns about a potential price hike for the Galaxy S25 series have dampened the excitement. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip expected to be more expensive, the prices of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra might skyrocket. As the rumor mill continues to churn out speculations, one thing is certain: the next few months will be crucial in determining the fate of the Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, courtesy of Ice Universe. The top-of-the-line device is expected to feature a quad-camera setup, with significant enhancements to two of them. The main camera will boast an impressive 200-megapixel sensor, accompanied by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. This upgrade puts the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the same league as other high-end Android phones, which have already adopted 50-megapixel or higher sensors. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also rumored to feature a new 200-megapixel sensor, potentially nearing a 1-inch size, which could revolutionize camera quality. And with the ability to record 8K video using all its rear cameras, this device is shaping up to be a camera powerhouse. While details about the cameras on the regular Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are still under wraps, the anticipation is building. With the Galaxy S25 series expected to launch early next year, stay tuned for more updates. But wait, there's more. Sawyer Glock, a reliable tipster, has revealed exciting details about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's RAM upgrade, a development that's been eagerly awaited by many enthusiasts. The device will come in 3 configurations, with the top 2 variants featuring a significant upgrade to 16 GB of RAM, paired with 512 GB or 1 TB of storage. While expandable storage won't be available, Samsung's use of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 flash storage technology ensures cutting-edge performance. The generous 6.9-inch display promises an immersive user experience, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a force to be reckoned with. Share your thoughts on these developments in the comments section below.